कार्बोहाइड्रेट का जो कंटेंट होता है, it's about 1/5.
Yeah.
If you see the balanced diet sheet, 1/5 for a normal person. लेकिन जब आप डायबिटिक होते हैं वो कहते हैं उसको क्वार्टर करो. So from 1/5 to 1/4. That is how much a diabetic should be eating their carbohydrates. So you have to, that's why लोग carb diet जो है वो successful होती है. तो जब मुझे पता लगा, I was obviously barely had the chance to recover from it, कि कोविड हो गई and I got really sick. और फिर obviously फिर आपको खबरें सुनने जा रही हैं कि सिर्फ एल्डरली लोग नहीं, लेकिन जो लोग chronic disease हैं वो मर रहे हैं और बेशुमार. और हमारी एथनिक, एशियन एथनिक जो थी काफ़ी, they were, you know, were hospitalized, some didn't make it. तो you know, it made me very you know, upset. फिर रमज़ान आया and you know, and it was very difficult to cope. So that was the first time कि मैंने tablet खाया.